In primetime news this evening, tougher bail act, Jamaica Republic plans, legal and constitutional affairs minister makes sectoral presentation, money heist, St. Mary police probe $10 million Western Union robbery, and Tivoli student in physical altercation with teacher to face the courts tomorrow.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what is your view on the way forward for the Jamaica Football Federation? You can share comments online, Facebook. You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.